Bullish atom value forecast is $17.044 to $34.703. Cosmos, ATOM, cost could likewise reach $40 soon. Bearish atom cost expectation for 2022 is $5.894. In Cosmos, ATOM, cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, Revol, and other data about Atom to examine the future development of the digital money. Cosmos, ATOM, current market status. The cost of Cosmos, ATOM, is $13.63 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $646,672,145 at the hour of composing. Nonetheless, Atom has diminished by almost 4.2% as of now. Besides, Cosmos, ATOM, has a coursing supply of 292,586,163 Atom. At present, Cosmos, ATOM, exchanges digital money trades like Binance, BTC, OKX, Bybit, and Deepcoin. What is Cosmos, ATOM? The Cosmos is a decentralized organization of free equal blockchains, each determined by BFT agreement calculations like the Tendermint Agreement. All in all, the Cosmos is a climate of blockchains that can gauge and work on one another. Prior to the Cosmos, the blockchains were quiet and couldn't speak with one another. They were difficult to create and could deal with few exchanges each second. Cosmos takes care of these issues with another mechanical vision. To comprehend this vision, we really want to return to the essentials of blockchain innovation. Cosmos, ATOM, value expectation 2022. A dropping channel is a graph design shaped from two descending trend lines drawn above and under a cost addressing opposition and backing levels. The plummeting channel design is otherwise called a falling channel or channel down. The upper line is distinguished first, as running alongside the highs and is known as the trend line. At the point when the cost is around the upper pattern line, search for short open doors, albeit forceful dealers could exchange long and short at both pattern lines searching for a skip or pullback. One more method for exchanging this example is to trust that the cost will get through either trend line. Diving channels, such as climbing channels, are a device for deciding if the pattern in cost will proceed. Presently, Cosmos, ATOM, is in the scope of $13.63. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of Atom could arrive at the obstruction levels of $17.210, $32.131 and $46.468. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of Atom might tumble to $5.722. Cosmos, ATOM, backing and obstruction levels. The outline underneath shows the help and obstruction levels of Cosmos, ATOM. Additionally, the moving normal, MAMA, of Cosmos, ATOM, is displayed in the outline above. Eminently, Cosmos, ATOM, cost lies on the 50 MAMA, present moment, so it is in an upturn. At present, Atom has entered a bullish state. Subsequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Atom whenever. In the meantime, the general strength record, RSI, of the Atom is 54.45. This implies that Cosmos, ATOM, is in neither overbought nor oversold. Be that as it may, this implies a significant value inversion of Atom might happen in the forthcoming days. Thus, dealers need to painstakingly exchange. Cosmos, ATOM, value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list, ADX, of Cosmos, ATOM. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above outline addresses the ADX of Cosmos, ATOM. Right now, the ADX of Atom lies in the scope of 22.886 and in this way, it shows a powerless pattern. The above diagram additionally addresses the overall instability list, RVI, of Cosmos, ATOM. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of Atom lies under 50, showing low unpredictability. Truth be told, the RSI of Cosmos, ATOM, is at 47.11, consequently affirming a potential sell signal. Examination of Atom with BTC, ETH. The beneath diagram shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and Cosmos, ATOM. From the above graph, we can decipher the value changes of ETH and Atom are moving in a comparative pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of Atom additionally increments or diminishes individually. Cosmos, ATOM, Value Expectation 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern turns around, Cosmos, ATOM, could most likely accomplish $50 by 2023. Cosmos, ATOM, Value Forecast 2024. With a few updates in the organization, Cosmos, ATOM, could enter a bullish direction. In the event that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Atom could energize to hit $55 by 2024. Cosmos, ATOM, Value Forecast 2025. If Cosmos, ATOM, supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Atom would energize to hit $60. Cosmos, ATOM, Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Cosmos, ATOM, supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Atom would revitalize to hit $65. Cosmos, ATOM, Value Expectation 2027. On the off chance that Cosmos, ATOM, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Atom would energize to hit $70. Cosmos, ATOM, Value Expectation 2028. In the event that Cosmos, ATOM, holds up major areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unpredictable crypto market. By driving huge cost rallies, Atom would hit $75 in 2028. Cosmos, ATOM, Value Forecast 2029. On the off chance that financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Cosmos, ATOM, it would observe significant spikes. Atom could hit $80 by 2029. Cosmos, ATOM, Value Expectation 2030. With more